Hi everyone, it's Evie with another acrylic pour, and today I'm trying out a new recipe. So basically I have golden paints, I have Floetrol in it, but this new bottle of Floetrol I bought is thicker than usual, so I added some water to thin it out, and I added very little alcohol. Last time I was thinning it out completely with alcohol, so I had a lot of alcohol in there, and the results were the cells just looked like soap suds, basically, and I didn't like that kind of effect, so I went ahead and diluted it with water to get the right consistency, and then put like just a tiny bit of alcohol in there. So we'll see if it sells, and we'll see if it doesn't. And also I added more paint in there too, so I'm still trying to figure out my paint ratio. So let's get started. I'm just using 3 colors today, primary colors, not really primary. We've got yellow, we've got phthalo blue, and we've got crimson. So let's get started. Okay, so here's my first cup. Oh, usually, okay, so I've been prepping the canvas with a little bit of Floetrol, but I didn't do that this time, and I don't have my brush around, so let's just do it on a dry canvas, see what happens. So let's start with yellow. I mixed the yellow with a little bit of white to make it a little more opaque, because that's one of the things I was finding out, is that my yellow was just, this yellow is not supposed to be that opaque. It's supposed to be a little, it's not supposed to be that transparent. It's supposed to be a little opaque. But I was finding with all that alcohol, all the colors were really mixing together. And so I just added some white to the yellow to make it more opaque. So let's start with a little bit of yellow at the bottom. Okay. And plus I wanted to act like white, because you know how white is where a lot of the selling is in my paintings. So that's why I added some white to it, since I'm not using white. Okay, so add some yellow. I think next I'll add some crimson, because I don't want and you know, for this one I'm going to try to keep them separated. So ooh, and I'm getting paint on my canvas. Nice. Okay, add some crimson. I don't want too much color combination. Whoa. Then I'll add some of this blue, and we'll start over again. Actually, I'm gonna start with crimson, because I don't want that many greens in there. I just said we'll start with crimson, so let's go with crimson again. Crimson, and then yellow. I like oranges more than greens. We will end up with some greens probably. Okay, yellow, crimson, and finally blue. Okay, this should be enough paint to cover the canvas. And the paint is relatively thick. I think it's thin enough, but it's not too thin. So let's get this paint. Okay, we'll let it sit for a minute. Okay. Ready, go. There we go. Okay, I am seeing some cells, which is good. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I also added some iridescent medium to it, to my blue and the blue and the crimson. I don't think I added any to the yellow. See, I told you I'd get some greens, even though I tried really hard not to. I'm not sure. I think that iridescent medium might add some weight to the paint. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Just some mud, basically. I think there are some clear areas of yellow. Oh, it's still working on cells. I see some cells, some more cells developing. But I'm not impressed with this one because it's I don't see any clear colors. It's a lot of mud. Okay, so that's what we have. Mud City. But the cells are better. I think if I didn't tilt it so much, I'd have a better structure of cells. But at least the cells are not like sud-like. Like they're not teeny tiny cells. But yeah, I think I have too much blue in there. I think next time I'll put in less blue. Okay, I have some more paint, so I'll do another painting, another video. So thanks for watching.